Before there were Chick-fil-A's and student centers, before food delivery apps, HBCUs had their own farms, gardens, and kitchens. Students tilled the soil, harvested the crops, and cooked together, feeding both body and soul. From Cheyney University, the first HBCU, to Tuskegee, Prairie View, and North Carolina A&T, our campuses were more than classrooms. They were living farms that kept tradition alive. Today, we're uncovering 25 lost African-American recipes that early HBCUs grew, cooked, and served, meals that told the story of resilience, self-reliance, and culture. 1. Field Pea Stew, Tuskegee Institute. Black-eyed peas from campus plots, seasoned with smoked ham hocks and onions. 2. Sorghum molasses. Bread, Prairie View A&M. Baked from sorghum grown on university land, sweetened naturally. 3. Collard greens with cornmeal dumplings, North Carolina A&T. Fresh greens from ag students' harvest, paired with fluffy cornmeal dumplings. 4. Okra and tomato stew, Florida A&M. Summer crops stewed in cast iron, a southern staple. 5. Hoppin' John, Benedict College. Rice and peas served in big pots for New Year's or exam week dinners. 6. Sweet potato biscuits, Southern University, Baton Rouge. Sweet potatoes from the campus farm, whipped into buttery biscuits. 7. Campus farm. Fried chicken, Alcorn State University. Locally raised poultry, fried to perfection for Sunday suppers. 8. Turnip greens and roots mash, Kentucky State University. Greens and roots cooked down in one pot, nothing wasted. 9. Heirloom cornbread, Fort Valley State University. Stone ground cornmeal milled on site into golden skillet cornbread. 10. Stewed lima beans, Langston University. Slow cooked with peppers and onions, comfort food at its finest. 11. Baked catfish with cornmeal, texture crust, Mississippi Valley State. Fish caught from campus ponds and coated in cornmeal from the ag program. 12. Hominy grits with red-eye gravy, Tuskegee Institute. Made from dried corn, topped with a coffee-based gravy. 13. Cabbage and salt pork stew, Delaware State University. Hearty, filling, and cheap, perfect for feeding the whole campus. 14. Peanut soup, Virginia State University. A nod to African traditions, peanuts from student-tended fields. 15. Persimmon pudding, Lincoln University, Pennsylvania. A seasonal treat made from foraged persimmons. 16. Cane. Syrup glazed sweet potatoes, Florida A&M. Sweet potatoes caramelized with thick cane syrup. 17. Poke salad greens, Albany State University. Spring forage greens boiled and fried with onions. 18. Sorghum sweet tea, Prairie View A&M. Before sugar was cheap, sorghum syrup sweetened the tea. 19. Boiled peanuts, South Carolina State. A salty shareable snack straight from campus peanut patches. 20. Chicken and rice, Pilau, Savannah State University. Gullah Geechee roots, chicken and rice in one savory pot. 21st. Apple stack cake, West Virginia State University. Molasses sweetened cake, layered with spiced apple preserves. 22. Mustard greens with cornbread crust, Tuskegee Institute. Baked greens topped with a golden cornbread crust. 23rd. Campus garden, vegetable soup, Cheyney University. Made with fresh vegetables grown by students on Cheyney's farmland. Hearty and full of love. 24. Sorghum popcorn balls, Prairie View A&M. A sweet treat for homecoming and campus fundraisers. 25. Molasses pull candy, Tuskegee and Alcorn State. Students would gather in the kitchen to stretch and twist candy by hand. These meals weren't just recipes, they were history. They were the taste of survival and community. The early agricultural HBCUs didn't just feed their students. They planted seeds of independence that still feed us today. From Cheyney's fields in Pennsylvania to Tuskegee's farms in Alabama, The soil of HBCUs has always grown more than crops. It's grown culture. Like, share, and subscribe to HBCU Original for more stories that feed the mind and the soul. Have you ever eaten any of these dishes? Or something similar in your family or community? Drop your memories in the comments below.